Hello children, this is Ashok sir. This is the third video on the topic ratio. And children, ratio and proportion is the one of the important chapter for your board examination as well as for other competitive examination like NTSC examination and so many other competitive examination. Now in this video, I'm going to give you some short trick how to find out answer of some question. Like suppose you have a question, ratio between two number is 3/4. Ratio between two number, that is 3 ratio 4. Ratio between two number 3 ratio 4. If I say 5 is added to these number, ratio becomes 6 ratio 7. 5 is added to these number, ratio becomes 6 ratio 7. How to find out? What are the two number? What are the two number? If I say ratio between two number is 3/4, that is 3 ratio 4. And if 5 is subtracted from these number, ratio becomes 6 ratio 7. What are the number? Right? Now see. If children, you must write these formulas, this concept. If I say ratio between two number is A ratio B, A upon B. Ratio between two number, that is A ratio B. This is the ratio between two number. And if X is added to these number, ratio becomes C ratio D. Try to get it. If ratio between two number, that is A ratio B. And if X is added to these number, ratio becomes C ratio D. Find out numbers. What are the two number? Number 1 is A into X within bracket C minus D upon AD minus BC. Right? This is the first number. Second number will be BX times C minus D upon AD minus BC. Like, right? Once again, what question is? Ratio between two number is A upon B. And if X is added to these number, ratio becomes C ratio D. Then numbers are, number 1 is this will be, first number is this and second number is this. Right? And if I say ratio between two number is A ratio B, and if X is subtracted from these number, ratio becomes C ratio D. What are the number? If subtracted is there, children, slightly change in this one, in this concept. What you write, in place of C minus D, you just write D minus C. In place of C minus D, you just write D minus C. That's all, only this much. If X is added to both the number, ratio becomes C ratio D. That will be C minus D in case of added. And if X is subtracted from these number, ratio becomes C ratio D. Then that will be D minus C. Right? Now, type number 3 question. If I say ratio between two number is A upon B. Ratio between two number, that is A ratio B. Ratio between two number, that is 3 ratio 4. Right? What should be added to these number? What should be added to these number? What should be added? Means you have to find out number which is to be added to make ratio between these two C ratio D. Once again, try to get it question. What question is? Ratio between two number is A ratio B. What should be added to these numbers so that ratio becomes C ratio D? ratio becomes C ratio D. What should be added? The number which is added is equal to, your answer is this one, AD minus BC upon C minus D. AD minus BC upon C minus D. AD minus BC upon C minus D. Once again, ratio between two number is A ratio B. What should be added? What should be added so that ratio becomes C ratio D? Your answer is AD minus BC upon C minus D. Right? If I say ratio between two numbers, that is 3 ratio 4. In place of A ratio B, that is 3 ratio 4. And what should be added? What should be added? That is 3 upon 4. This is the ratio between A ratio B. What should be added in this one? Let it 3 plus x, 4 plus x. So that ratio becomes C ratio D. That is what it may be 5.7. In one line, answer will be AD minus BC upon C minus D. And in case, what should be subtracted? If ratio between two numbers, that is A ratio B. And what should be subtracted so that ratio becomes C ratio D? Your answer will be this one, BC minus AD. BC minus AD upon C minus D. BC minus AD upon C minus D. Right? Now, 4 short tricks I am giving you in this video. Number 1, once again, if ratio between two numbers is A upon B, and if X is added to these number, right, ratio becomes C ratio D, right? What are the two numbers, right? So this is the first number, this is the second number. If I say what should be subtracted from these so that ratio becomes C ratio D, this is the first number, this is the second number, right? Total 4 concepts I am giving you. Children, you must write all these in your notebook. Thank you very much. Have a good day.